Hello students. Okay, we are talking about achievement motive. तो moderate risk taking की जब हम बात कर रहे थे, high achievers take high order risk, but research studies reveal that high achievers neither take high risk nor low risk, but take moderate risk. Then need for immediate feedback. These people need immediate and clear cut information about their activity level and rate of progress. They observe their efforts or contribution towards the achievement of organizational goals. They like the challenging jobs like sales job हो गया, managerial jobs हो गया, ठीक है। तो ये challenging jobs होती है ना। Next is satisfaction with accomplishments. High achievers want intrinsically satisfying rewards rather than materialistic rewards. ठीक है ना। हाई अचीवर्स को क्या चाहिए? सेटिस्फाइंग रिवॉर्ड्स चाहिए। इवन एट लेस सैलरी दे प्रेफर अ कॉम्प्लिकेटेड एंड चैलेंजिंग जॉब रादर देन अ सिंपल वन। क्लियर? नेक्स्ट वन इज प्री ऑक्यूपेशन विद द टास्क. If high achievers select a task, they must concentrate on it until it is completed successfully. They never leave their work incomplete. High achievers की बात यहाँ पर हम कर रहे हैं. They are quiet and don't boast about their achievements. They tend to be realistic. They don't let the other people come in their path of success. They are of conservative nature and may fail to work in a team environment. हम यहाँ पर कह रहे हैं ना कि भी सेल्फ ओरिएंटेड भी कह सकते हैं, टीम एनवायरनमेंट में वर्क नहीं कर पाते हैं. देन affiliation motive. Affiliation is a social need. Man is social being and can't live alone, so he prefers to join groups in order to satisfy his need of belongingness. Affiliation plays a dominant role in human resource management, particularly in cohesiveness. If affiliation need is fulfilled or satisfied, the cohesiveness among employees will enhance. ठीक है ना। अगर affiliation need फुलफिल हो जाती है और सेटिस्फाई है पर्सन, तो जो कोहेसिवनेस है वो बढ़ती है. The next is security motives. It includes security regarding life, accidents, etc. Before 1991, liberalization, privatization, globalization, job security had been provided to the employees of public sector only. ठीक है ना। मतलब 1991 से पहले की अगर बात करी जाए तो जो पब्लिक सेक्टर के एम्प्लॉयज़ थे उनको ही जॉब सिक्योरिटी प्रोवाइड कराई गई थी. आफ्टर 1991 LPG रैपिड टेक्नोलॉजिकल एडवांसमेंट्स हैव ब्रॉट सिग्निफिकेंट चेंजेस इन द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ एम्प्लॉयमेंट. ओके, तो LPG यहाँ पर वर्ड यूज़ हम कर रहे हैं. लिबरलाइजेशन, प्राइवेटाइजेशन, ग्लोबलाइजेशन. तो सिग्निफिकेंट चेंजेस आए इन द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ एम्प्लॉयमेंट. इंडियन इंडस्ट्री नीड्स less number of people and many industries started retrenching the employees through voluntary retirement scheme. Now security has become a complicated issue. Most of the employees have a fear of losing their jobs. Thus the employees are deprived of the security net. Then status or prestige motives. These are basically concerned with achieving status or rank in a group, organization or in society. ठीक है. तो यहाँ जब हम बात कर रहे हैं स्टेटस और प्रेस्टीज की, द capitalistic system of economy coupled with advanced technological changes has created dynamic organizations. These dynamic organizations offer challenging jobs. The candidates have perfect knowledge and skills, are given quite attractive salaries and lucrative perks, like फ्री हाउस हो गया, टेलीफोन हो गया, फ्री कार, क्रेडिट कार्ड, क्लब मेंबरशिप, computer, internet connection. In this way, the status and prestige motive of the employees is satisfied, even though their need for job securities is still unsatisfied. After having the knowledge of various types of needs or motives, managers convert a weak desire into a strong desire and motive. ठीक है ना, अगर किसी तरह अगर डिज़ायर होती है तो वीक जो डिज़ायर होती है ना, तो उसको स्ट्रॉन्ग डिज़ायर में कन्वर्ट कर दिया जाता है, हो जाती हैं, मैनेजर्स का करते हैं ये, ठीक है। This in turn helps the employee to make use of his potentialities for his own benefit and also for the benefit of organization. Okay, thank you.